Alright guys, welcome to today's tutorial. This is Omatech. If you know you are new to this channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we release videos like this, you'll be the first person to see the video. Now, I've seen a couple of people sending message and they're like they're having problem installing this script on their system, and whenever they install this script, it will turn out to show error server 500. Now I did it also, and I had the same issue, but at the later run I got to know the solution of the issue. So now if you are in this category, you've got this script and it's giving you this kind of error and issue, then you are in the right place. Stay with me as I take you to step by step on how you can rectify and eliminate this error 500. So first of all, let's look at the demo of the script. All right, so this is what you are supposed to get. Now if you end up getting this error, server error 500, meaning you are not doing something right, I know you must have installed the script, connected your database. Upon checking the site, it will take you to this place. So we want to rectify this issue now. I know you must have installed everything, uploaded the script, extracted it to the main place. So I want us to rectify the issue together. So I'm having the same issue, so we want to rectify it together. I'm having the same issue, so we want to rectify it together. So now if you click on core here, and .env, just open it in a separate tab. Now you see all this file. You observe that your database is the password is there, the database username, and everything is there. So now how do you eliminate this error? So what you are going to do here, you are going to copy everything, cut it, and save it. Come back to your file here, click on vendor, then locate where you see PS arrow, locate it, go to log, you see the .env. So this is where it was encrypted. It is an encryption. So if they don't want you to use the file, they will encrypt it from there. So what you are going to do, you are going to paste the files here, save it. After saving it, then go back to your site, refresh your site, and you are going to get woo. So that is how you rectify your issue. That is how you rectify your error 500 server issue. Like this video, share this video. Thank you very much.